What's going on in Ohio? Never seen hell look like this before. Someone tell me what's going on. I've seen a lot of hell balls in my life, but never like this in Ohio. It just came down. There's hell all over the ground, and this is a weird ass shape. Hell. So, if anybody's seeing this, anyone in Ohio seeing this? This is hell. It just came down out of the sky, a big old storm. I'm putting this in a plastic bag and freezing it. Anyway, what's going on in Ohio? We got some weird ass hell. See if I can zoom in. There's the hell. Peace.